In commemoration of the International Day of Forest observed globally by the United Nations on March 21st, the 2025 theme, Forest and Food, underscores the vital role of forests in ensuring food security, nutrition, and livelihood. Forests not only contribute essential food sources such as fruits, nuts, seed, mushroom, honey, and wild meat, but also plays a significant part in maintaining ecosystem and mitigating climate change, particularly for indigenous and forest-dependent communities. Edo State government, in collaboration with Edo State Forest Commission, under the leadership of its functioning chairman, Mr. Edo Henry Osagie, handed over 1,000 seedlings of various plant species to the President, Edo State Sawmiller Association, as part of the state's restoration program in Ovia Northeast local government area.
On behalf of Edo State government, the Edo State Forestry Commission hand over this 1,000 seedlings of different species to the sub-president Sawmillers Association to do school-based planting in Ovia Northeast local government area as part of our Edo State government restoration program.
Comrade Friday Igohian JP, President, Edo State Sawmiller Association, expressed his gratitude on behalf of the executive and members of the association.
I really appreciate and commend your efforts. We are really very grateful. We've never experienced this kind of gesture before now. We are really happy for you giving us the opportunity to support the International Planting Day season. We are donating this same seedling as well to individual secondary schools and university for tree-based planting. We are starting right away with Okada University. This seedling will be handed over tomorrow, part of it tomorrow, to Igbinidi University Okada in Ovia Northeast local government. I thank the governor of Edo State, and then I pray this commission live long to sustain the objectives they have in their mind.
The chairman further stated that this gesture is a living example of our dedication to promoting nature and promoting biodiversity. It reinforces the importance of living with, utilizing, and protecting nature. We are extending the donations of these seedlings to primary, secondary, and tertiary institutions in Ovia Northeast local government area, Edo State. Adesua Ehimwa reporting.